In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Carthy Primary won and decided to send Naggo Head Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Naggo Head Primary and Bible knowledge. Which relative of Jairus did Jesus raise from the dead?
Sister.
Incorrect. It's his daughter. Carthy, which relative of Peter did Jesus heal of a fever?
Brother.
That's incorrect. His mother-in-law. Naggo Head. Science. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid?
Vitamin C.
That is correct. Carthy. Which specific vitamin is also known as riboflavin?
Vitamin D.
That's incorrect. It's vitamin B2. International affairs, it's a visual. This is for Naggo Head. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Argentina.
That's right. Carthy, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Chile.
That is correct. English language, Naggo Head. Spell photography.
PHOTOGAGRAPHY.
Correct. Carthy, spell precious.
PRECIOUS.
That is correct. Television, this is a visual for Naggo Head. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Will Smith.
Incorrect, it's Martin Lawrence. Carthy, look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Morgan Freeman.
Incorrect, it's Danny Glover. General knowledge for Naggo Head. What is the capital of Ecuador?
Tegucigalpa.
Incorrect, it's Quito. Carthy, what is the capital of Panama?
San Jose.
Incorrect, it's Panama City. Social studies, Naggo Head. Phobos and Deimos are moons on which planet?
Mars.
That is correct. Carthy, what is the fifth planet from the sun?
Neptune.
Incorrect, it's Jupiter. Music, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the singer. This is for Naggo Head.
Adele.
Incorrect, it's Whitney Houston. Carthy, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Elvis Presley.
That is correct. Naggo Head, mathematics question. What is the product of 18 and 4.5? Carthy, would you like to try?
Okay.
It's 81. Carthy, what is the product of 24 and 3.5? Naggo Head, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 84.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Naggo Head Primary on 5 and Carthy Primary on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Retrieval. A regular and steady bedtime routine can ensure that you get a good night's sleep and wake up energized for each school day. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.